The fifth iteration of the Renault Scenic marks a significant shift towards electric mobility, featuring the Etech badge on the 2024 Renault Scenic E-Tech Electric. Scheduled to roll off the production lines at Renault's Douai ElectricCity factory, the all-new Scenic E-Tech is set to arrive at dealerships in Europe at the start of the next year. It offers two zero-emissions powertrain options, both powered by LG nickel-manganese-cobalt batteries. The standard version boasts a front-mounted electric motor generating 125 kilowatts, 170 horsepower, and 206 pound-feet, 280 newton-meters of torque. It draws power from a 60 kilowatt-hour battery pack, providing a range of over 260 miles, 420 kilometers as per the WLTP cycle. The ability for DC fast charging at up to 130 kilowatt, a 0 to 62 miles per hour acceleration in 9.3 seconds, and a top speed of 93 miles per hour, 150 kilometers per hour, solidify its performance credentials. For those seeking more power, the high-range Scenic E-Tech comes equipped with a robust motor producing 160 kilowatt, 220 horsepower, and 221 pound-foot, 300 newton-meters of torque. It relies on an 87 kilowatt-hour battery, offering an estimated range of over 385 miles, 620 kilometers, according to WLTP standards. DC fast charging reaches up to 150 kilowatt, acceleration to 62 miles per hour takes just 8.4 seconds, and the top speed increases to 105 miles per hour, 170 kilowatt hour. Both versions can be charged via AC power at up to 22 kilowatt. Renault introduces a noteworthy feature in the form of modular battery packs that can be individually replaced or repaired. The company emphasizes the absence of rare earth elements in the electronics, battery, and motor components of the Scenic, a continuation of their eco-friendly approach. Environmental consciousness is apparent in the fifth-gen Scenic's design, utilizing a significant proportion of recycled materials. The interior incorporates up to 80% recycled material for the dashboard structure, with carpets crafted from 97% recycled plastic bottles and headlining from 99.5% recycled plastic bottles. The Solar Bay opacifying panoramic glass roof incorporates 50% waste material, and a substantial portion of the car's ferrous components are derived from recycled materials. Inside, the Scenic E-Tech Electric offers seating for 5, a flat floor, and ample storage spaces totaling up to 38.7 liters. The innovative Open R-Link digital cockpit features two screens, a 12.3-inch horizontal TFT screen behind the steering wheel, and a 12-inch vertical touchscreen in the center console, supporting over 50 apps and compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Safety features abound, including more than 30 driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, stop and go, and lane centering. The new Scenic E-Tech signifies Renault's commitment to electrification and sustainability, presenting a compelling option for eco-conscious consumers seeking a practical and technologically advanced electric vehicle.